We need to add a contact button to the website, and we'll just double check what's on the contact page so far. At the moment, it's just template stuff. This isn't his real contact number. But this will probably, actually, this probably won't be the page that we go to. I don't like this layout, and he's not going to have a map anyway. So I think what we need to do is we'll just edit this page and delete it for a start. And that'll take us to the page menu on the back end on the dashboard anyway. So here's all the pages. Should be another contact page. Yeah, there's one there. Let's view this one, see what this one looks like. It's even worse. What we'll do is edit this page and just get rid of all this crap here. This is part of Gutenberg blocks, so we don't want any of that rubbish there. We're going to use Elementor instead. Later on we'll update Yoast for SEO and everything. Right now we'll just make this page ready, and let's just go to document 2 and make sure it's a default template. There's no sidebar, and update that. And then when we go to Elementor, there should be nothing in there either. All right, we'll leave that. That's fine for now. We'll just view that page. That should be a blank page. That's fine. We'll just add that into the menu, that page that we'll customize later. So here under pages, we're looking for contact. We'll add that to the menu, and we'll get rid of this old contact that went into the trash. Save that menu so that we should still have a contact page on the menu now. Whoops. Why didn't that save? Let's go back to menus. We can always get back there from the top menu. That's the main menu. Is there any other menu? Oh, here it is. Menu, primary menu. So what we'll do is we'll select that. We hadn't selected the right one. And this has got a whole bunch of invalid pages in it, which we're going to remove. And both of those contacts invalid, remove them, and add this contact page, which is just that blank page, and save that. Yeah, see, this has got, it's ticked down here on display location primary menu, so that is in fact a proper menu. So now when we go and visit the site again, okay, there's that blank page has been added over there, but I also, thinking down the track, want to put a contact button in either here or here. And ready-made commission, photography, professional. There's a photo of him. I'm thinking the contact button in there. So let's edit this page with Elementor. Now, I'm just going to open up this in a new tab. I'm going to show you a couple of ways of copying this link. I could either do a right click and go copy link location, or I could actually click on the link, go here, and copy the URL or the permalink from up here. There's two ways. There's even more ways, but that's a good starter. So we'll click on our widget chooser, and here's a button, simple button. We'll just use this one. Drop that in here, and the text will be called Contact Daemon. In fact, I think that would be better in uppercase since all the headings are in uppercase as well. So we'll stick to the theme. Contact Daemon. There's the link. Doesn't need to open in a new tab or window or anything like that. We'll make it extra large. And then the style, the text color can be white. The background color can be black. The typography can be 2 M's, no, maybe 1 M. Yeah. Back here, oops, click on that button again. Back here under content, we'll make it justified full width. That text, let's make that text, I'll click on typography again. The weight, let's make the weight 900. Keep it the default family. And yeah, I'm happy with that now. So we'll just press update. Now the thing is too, we'll probably use more buttons down the track. Actually, we want to style the hover on this as well. So I think what we'll do is make the text color black and the background color white for the hover, and press update. Now I'll show you a trick. I'm just going to add a new section, a one column section in here. I'm going to drag this button down here into this section. Whoops. Into this section here. And now I'm going to save this as a template, and I'm going to call it button, because we're going to use this button again in the website. So may as well have it there in our template library. And now I can just drag this back to where it was and get rid of that extra unnecessary section and press update. And it's good to have at least one link on your page, and there's our link there for Contact Damon. And that's in your sort of brand colors. We could also go with that transparent gray background color for the button as well. And we could also put a black border around that, which I think might look nice. Why don't we do that? Okay, so here on this front page, let's just grab that color for that background menu color. It was under header, transparent header, under menu, and the background color, it's an RGBA color, which means it's got a transparency built in. The transparency is there at the end. It's 0.56, almost a half transparent. All right. What we'll do is we'll put that in here into the background color. So we'll put in the exact same gray. Okay. And then for the hover, just get rid of that. For the hover for the button, what we'll have is a border radius of 1, solid, width of 1, and we'll put in the same grey. That looks a bit better now. And update that. Now, of course, that's the template that we now want, so we'll have to go through that process again. We'll create a row, drag this down into there, save that template, that section as a template. We'll call it button grey. And we don't really even need to update this page because we already did before we updated it. So I'm just going to use this trick here of deleting all that stuff and saying, yes, I want to leave the page, because we will actually see that grey button down there, which goes to contact. You can see in the bottom left of the screen, you can check links that way. See how in the very bottom left of the screen it says the website, then contact. We click on that and it takes us to that blank page again. All right, so that's how you add a button, and also how you update your menu for your WordPress website. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions that you'd like answered in a video tutorial, please let us know.